Can you imagine earning a substantial income by hacking legally? Welcome to the realm of ethical hacking, a vital field where prowess in penetration testing and cybersecurity isn't just encouraged, it's compensated. Ethical hacking operates under legal and moral guidelines to strengthen digital defenses. Today, companies are in dire need of these skills to safeguard their data against malicious attacks. From bug bounty. Now, let's dive into how you can turn those savvy hacking skills into a lucrative career. Bounties. What are they exactly? Hackers to find and report security vulnerabilities in software and websites. In return, these hackers receive rewards, often hefty sums of money, depending on the severity and impact of the discovered bug. Company potential security threats before malicious attackers exploit them. This not only helps secure their platforms, but also enhances their reputation for being vigilant about cybersecurity. For those dominant platforms where individuals can sign up, find programs from various companies, and start hunting for bugs. These platforms not only provide access to a wide array of bug bounty programs, but also offer tools and resources to help hackers in their quests. The success stories in this field are numerous and inspiring. Some ethical hackers have made careers out of bug bounty hunting, earning six-figure sums annually. Take the example of a teenager who identified a significant flaw in an online service, leading to a reward of over $100,000. Stories like these are not uncommon in the realm of bug bounties and serve as a testament to the lucrative potential of ethical hacking. Moreover, the community aspect of these platforms fosters a sense of collaboration and competition among hackers, pushing the boundaries of what can be achieved in cybersecurity. So, finding bugs can be quite the treasure hunt. But what about working directly with the companies themselves? Ever considered being a cybersecurity consultant? This intriguing role combines the thrill of hacking with the benefits of a professional career, all while operating within the legal boundaries of the tech world. Testing, where consultants simulate cyber attacks to test systems defenses, to vulnerability assessments and comprehensive security audits. These activities are crucial for businesses looking to fortify their defenses against ever-evolving cyber threats. But what does it take to become a sought-after security consultant? First and foremost, a robust knowledge of IT security is essential. This can be achieved through a combination of formal education, like a degree in computer science or cybersecurity, and hands-on experience in IT or network security. Certifications also play a critical role in this journey. Earning respected credentials such as Certified Information Systems Security Professional, CSSP, or Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH, can significantly boost your credibility and marketability. Gaining experience can begin with smaller, freelance projects or internships. These opportunities allow budding consultants to apply theoretical knowledge in real-world scenarios, dealing with actual security issues and learning from seasoned professionals. One of the most rewarding aspects of being a security consultant is the potential for building long-term relationships with clients. As businesses increasingly rely on digital solutions, they also increasingly rely on trusted security advisors to help navigate the complexities of cybersecurity. Establishing yourself as a reliable, skilled consultant can lead to repeat engagements and a steady, lucrative income stream. Moreover, this career path offers a variety of environments in which to work, from corporate settings to consulting firms, or even as an independent contractor. The flexibility and diversity of projects keep the work engaging and dynamic. While consulting offers a more stable income, teaching others your craft can also be incredible. Get paid to teach others how to hack ethically. Imagine the thrill of diving deep into the world of cybersecurity, not just to safeguard the digital realm, but also to pass on your invaluable skills to eager learners. This is the burgeoning field of cybersecurity training and education, a sector that's rapidly expanding as the digital landscape evolves. In the current digital age, the demand for cybersecurity expertise is skyrocketing. Businesses, governmental organizations, and even educational institutions are on a constant lookout for ways to bolster their defenses against cyber threats. This surge in demand creates a fertile ground for experts who can educate and train the next generation of cybersecurity professionals. For those with a knack for ethical hacking, there are numerous opportunities to craft a career in education. You could start by creating online courses. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or even YouTube provide an excellent stage to share your knowledge. These courses can range from beginner lessons on understanding the basics of cybersecurity to advanced hacking techniques and defenses. Beyond digital courses, conducting workshops and seminars is another lucrative avenue. These live sessions allow for real-time interaction and hands-on experiences, which are highly valued in the learning process. They can be organized at local community centers, universities, or online, reaching a global audience. Writing is yet another powerful tool. Publishing books or ebooks on ethical hacking not only cements your status as an expert, but also serves as a passive income source. These publications can guide aspiring hackers through complex concepts and scenarios, providing a comprehensive look at the ethical practices necessary in the field. By sharing your knowledge, you not only empower others, but also enhance your own skills and reputation. Each course developed, workshop conducted, or book written further establishes your expertise and expands your professional network. Teaching is one way to give back to the community while earning. However, combining these avenues can maximize you all. In the dynamic world of ethical hacking, diversification isn't just a strategy, it's a necessity. Imagine weaving together the threads of bug bounty, security consulting, and cybersecurity education, each one a separate avenue. But when combined, they form a robust tapestry of income streams. Let's start with bug bounties. They are like the sprints in the marathon of cybersecurity careers. Quick, intense, and potentially lucrative, they offer immediate rewards and continuous skill enhancement. But solely relying on them can be like placing all your eggs in one unpredictable basket. Enter security consulting. This is the marathon itself. Long-term, stable, and built on the trust and reputation you develop with clients. It provides a steady income and allows you to delve deeply into complex security environments. However, it demands a significant amount of time and commitment. Now, add cybersecurity training and education into the mix. Teaching others not only bolsters your own understanding, but also establishes you as an authority in the field. This can open doors to speaking engagements, workshops, and even published works, all generating additional income. Balancing these avenues requires effective time management. Prioritize tasks based on deadlines and profitability. Use tools and methodologies that enhance productivity, like the Pomodoro technique or agile project management. And always keep learning. The field evolves rapidly, and staying updated is paramount. By diversifying your skills and services, you not only amplify your earning potential, but also create a safety net that can sustain your career through the ups and downs of the tech world. Remember, the more you diversify, the more you thrive in the cybersecurity field. So, we've explored how to make money as an ethical hacker, but there's one more crucial aspect. The path of an ethical hacker is not just about the financial gains, it's fundamentally about the commitment to doing what's right. This involves a steadfast adherence to ethical guidelines that not only define the profession, but also protect the community at large. Ethical hacking is a powerful tool. Misused, it can lead to severe consequences, including legal action, loss of professional credibility, and the potential to harm individuals and organizations. The integrity of an ethical hacker is paramount. It's what separates a respected professional from a rogue element in the tech world. As you harness these skills, think of yourself as an advocate for cybersecurity. Your expertise does not merely protect systems, but also educates and empowers users and organizations to understand and improve their security posture. This advocacy is crucial in a world where digital threats are constantly evolving. Moreover, the field of ethical hacking is one of continuous learning and community engagement. The landscape of cybersecurity is ever-changing, and staying updated requires an ongoing commitment to learning. Engage with other professionals in forums, attend conferences, participate in webinars, and contribute to open-source projects. These activities not only enhance your skills, but also help in building a supportive network that can propel your career forward.